Open shelving in a large family kitchen can showcase everyday dishes and heirlooms while keeping frequently used items within reach. Start by planning a layout that balances display and storage. Measure wall spans and mark vertical studs so we can anchor sturdy floating shelves at varied heights, spacing higher shelves for decorative pieces and lower shelves for everyday plates and mugs. Use 5/4 inch or 3/4 inch solid wood or plywood with edge banding for durability and finish the visible face with the same stain or paint as your trim to read is built in. Integrate underlighting using low-profile LED tape with a warm color temperature and a dimmer to prevent glare and highlight items without fading finishes. Run wiring through a channel behind the shelving or inside a thin chaseboard for a clean look. Keep lower sections as closed cabinets for messy or bulky items that do not belong on display, and use soft close hinges to reduce noise and wear. For child safety, mount shelving with through bolts into studs, place heavy items on lower shelves, and add a shallow lip or clear acrylic guards on the front edge to prevent accidental slides. Use decorative baskets, linen-lined bins, and uniform containers to corral small items and keep the visual weight balanced. Labeling the underside of shelves or the back of baskets if you want quick inventory without disrupting the display. People often under-attach shelves and ignore stud placement, which leads to sagging or pull-out. The fix is to use either multiple stud anchors or a continuous cleat screwed into vertical studs and then secure the shelf to that cleat. Another common issue is lighting that is too bright or too cool, which washes out ceramics and wood tones. Select warm color temperature tape and install a dimmer so we can tune illumination to time of day. A third problem is cluttered display, where every surface becomes a showcase and looks messy. We recommend editing by using a rhythm of negative space, repeating a small number of colors or materials, and storing overflow in closed lower cabinets or baskets so the open shelves remain calm and useful. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers project idea inspiration specifically for open shelving and kitchen layouts, helping us find professionals and crowdsource practical tips. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we share before and after photos, installation experiences, and vendor recommendations so we can learn from other families and contractors.